Lots of money.
Lots of money, nigga. Illuminati, my nigga. Hey, look. Give me money, give me cash with the stash. Pistol in your face, throw it in my little bag. 100 over here and 100 in my hand. That mean I got 1,000 thrown in my bag. Show you what it is. Talk about my product, sweetie in the bitch. That'll be a problem. I know you want me dead, so you can get my dollars. You pussy niggas swallow my dick in my hollows. You can try to top that off when it comes to popping off. I would keep my brain cocked, even with the silence of the beam for the act. The scope for the distance, so I can see y'all pussies. Purr from the distance, y'all hissing. Talking this, asking me why I like Jadakiss. Telling me my lyricals are basics, nonsense. Yet again, I gotta let you know I keep my bang cocked. Not Nick Cave, but really they know that bang cocked. Dangerous. I move heavy like in the block, see the way the boys step. Heavy like Rick Ross, trying to get the sticky on. We up by the old saw, keep this shit balanced on the scale like seesaw. Yeah. Sure. Royal money, nigga. Ain't